हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू? रिवाइज करते हैं चैप्टर 5th, यूक्लिड्स जियोमेट्री। व्हाट इज सरफेस? क्या है सरफेस? अ has size solid has shape, size, position and can be moved from one to a place to another. Its boundaries are called surface. क्या है surface? जो shape है, size है, position है, वो एक place से दूसरी place पे जा रही है, तो ये जो boundaries है वो है surface. They separate one part of the space from another and are said to have no thickness. The boundaries of the surfaces are curved and straight lines. These lines end in points. Okay. Then dimension. So a solid surface line points. It's the below one extension, also called dimension. Then a solid has three dimension, surface has two dimension, line has one and point has one dimension. ये सारे MCQ 1 मार्क्स वाले क्वेश्चन है जो फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स MCQ गिव वन वर्ड आंसर में आ सकता है. देन ये एलिमेंट्स है जो भी आपको लर्न करने हैं. फर्स्ट, अ पॉइंट इज दैट विच हैज नो पार्ट. सेकेंड, a line is breadthless length. Third, the ends of a line are points. Fourth, a straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points on itself. Fifth, a surface is that which has length and breadth only. Sixth, the edges of a surface are lines. Seventh, a plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight lines on itself. Okay. Then next है, यहाँ पे आप लोगों को कुछ postulate और exams दिए हुए थे. तो what is postulate and what is exams? Euclid assumes certain properties which are not be proved. These assumptions are actually obvious universal truth. जो universal truth है but वो prove नहीं कर पाए. He divided them in two types, axioms and postulate. So he used term postulate for the assumption that were specific to geometry. जिस geometry के लिए उसे postulate. Common notions often called axiom. जो common है वो axioms है. सो एग्जाम्स है जो आपको सम्स में भी यूज करने हैं और याद भी रखना है. तो उसमें फर्स्ट है यूक्लिड्स एग्जाम, टोटल 7 है जो आपको याद रखना है. फर्स्ट, थिंग्स विच आर इक्वल टू द सेम थिंग आर इक्वल टू वन अनदर. सेकेंड, if equals are added to equals the wholes are equal. Third, if equals are subtracted from equals the remainders are equal. Fourth, things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Fifth, the whole is greater than the part. Sixth, things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. Seventh, things which are halves of the same things are equal to one another. Okay, then यहाँ पे postulate भी है. First, a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. और exam 5.1 है, given to district point there is a unique line that passes through them. Postulate 2, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Postulate third, a circle can be drawn with any center, any radius. Postulate 4, all right angles are equal to one another. Postulate fifth, if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than two right angles. इससे postulate आप लोगों को फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स में आ सकते हैं और आपको वैसे परफेक्ट याद नहीं रखना है, बट कहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है, क्या यूज हो रहा है, वो आपको याद रखना है. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशंस है पैरेलल लाइंस. व्हाट इज पैरेलल लाइंस? two lines L and M in a plane are said to be a parallel if they have no common point, and we will write them as L parallel to M. L और M दो पैरेलल लाइन है जिसका कोई कॉमन पॉइंट नहीं है और कहीं पे भी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होने वाली है. So this is parallel line. Then second है perpendicular lines. Two lines P and Q lying in the same plane are said to be a perpendicular if they form a right angle, and we write them as P perpendicular to Q. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line having a definite length. It has two endpoints. In the figure, a line segment is shown having endpoints A and B. It is written as line segment AB or line segment PA. Then radius of circle. The distance from the center to a point on the circle is called the radius of a circle. जो सेंटर से सर्कल का पॉइंट है वहां तक का जो डिस्टेंस है वो रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. Square, a quadrilateral in which all the four angles are right angles and all the four sides are equal, it's called a square. चारों एंगल राइट एंगल है, 90 का एंगल है और चारों साइड इक्वल है तो स्क्वायर है. देन नेक्स्ट है point. क्या है point? A small dot made by a sharp pencil on the surface of a paper gives an idea about a point. कोई आपको आइडिया देता है पॉइंट का. कोई प्लेन सरफेस है, पेपर है जिस पे शार्प पेंसिल से आपने डॉट कर दिया, वो पॉइंट है. इट हैज नो डायमेंशन, ओनली पोजीशन. ये सिर्फ पोजीशन है. देन लाइन. A line is an idea that it should be straight and that it should extend indefinitely in both directions. It has no endpoints and has no definite length. Then ray. क्या है ray? A ray of line which has only one endpoint and extends indefinitely in one direction. A ray has no definite length. एक साइड से एंड पॉइंट होता है, एक साइड से एक्सटेंड होता है जहां पे एरो होता है. एंगल. टू रेस हैविंग कॉमन एंड पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम एन एंगल. कोई भी दो रे है और एंड पॉइंट जो है वहां पे कॉमन है, वो एंगल है. प्लेन. प्लेन इज अ सरफेस such that every point of a line joining any two points on it lies on it. Then circle. A circle is the set of all points in a given plane which are equidistant from the fixed point in the same plane. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. It means कि कोई भी एक point है जहाँ से equal distance, equidistance, it means equal distance. तो सारे point में same होता है और जो fixed point है वो center. तो center से सारा distance same होता है और हम figure बनाते हैं वो circle. Quadrilateral. A closed figure made four line segment. It's called a quadrilateral. Okay, then so you learn it that things and by heart learn. So if you have any doubt, so call or message me. Thank you.